Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today we are going to be making paper flowers. Let's get started. To begin, you're going to need some colorful paper, a pair of scissors, and each table will have a glue sponge to share. To make this petal shape and design, first I'm going to take some rectangular pieces of paper and I'm going to cut a half circle or a rounded edge on one side. And then I'm going to curl these, and I like to do more than one at a time. And curl this side up. Now let's do that again. A little bit more smoother. Here we go. It's looking nice. Next, I'm going to cut right here at the bottom, just a little 2 little feet right here. And I'm going to use one. I'm going to push into the glue sponge. You see that glue on it. I'm going to push that here, and then I'm going to press that down again, and then I can attach it to my flower like so. So let me show you that one more time. So I have these 2 little feet here. I'm going to press down on the glue sponge, attach that, and then I'll press down once again, and then I can attach it to my flower. Next, I think I'll add a little bit of yellow in the center. So if you have scrap paper that's about the size of a palm, definitely worth saving. As long as it's not crumpled or wrinkled, we could use it for a nice little flower detail. Open that up. Oh, and here I have my flower. Well, I can't wait to see what type of flower you decide to make. Till next time, keep being creative.